Prashadam, read. Okay, good morning, children. Myself, Venkatramana. Okay, right? Rather take faculty, Vizianagaram district, Kuntinvalsa. Right? This is second session, session 2. Please subscribe this channel. Okay. See, first of all, how to write that atomic number and mass number given element. After that, how the arrangement of electrons in atom, how the protons will be arrangement the atoms, how the neutrons will be arrangement the atom. First of all, you have to learn that hydrogen. So already know that hydrogen is one of the word number, word hydrogen. So if you take that hydrogen, so this is called hydrogen. Hydrogen is a sentence. Hydrogen is a sentence. The Bergerius scientist to saying that one symbol, shortcut symbol, that symbol is known as a hydrogen. That symbol is known as a hydrogen. This hydrogen atom contains the one protons, one electrons only. The hydrogen atom contains one electrons, one protons, one electron, one proton. In the reason causes the hydrogen atomic number is 1. Already first session I told you, session 1 I told you, atomic number means number of electrons or number of protons is called as atomic number. So Z is nothing but atomic number. Z is nothing but atomic number. Atomic number means number of electrons or number of protons is called atomic number. So here hydrogen atomic number is 1. Hydrogen atomic number is 1. Why? Because hydrogen having that one electron or one protons only. So atomic number is always equal to any atom. So any atom equal means what is that? Electrons, number of electrons and number of protons equal any atom. But different atoms atomic number is different means different electrons, same protons, but different atomic number is there. In this way, so what is the mass number? How can you calculate the mass number? So here the calculation of mass number. What is meaning of mass number means? I told you first session, mass number means atomic number plus number of neutrons. Atomic number plus number of neutrons. So here mass number means atomic number plus number of neutrons. What is meaning of atomic number? Number of electrons and number of protons is called atomic number. So here Z plus N. So here if atomic number is hard or even, hard, so one is hard number. So one is hard number or even number. So here whenever the atomic number is even into 2 to get the mass number. Atomic number is even into 2 to get the mass number. For example, atomic number is hard into 2 plus 1. That is a formula. If atomic number is hard, for example, here 1 into 2 plus 1, 3 will become. But here the special exception, hydrogen, only one element. Total how many elements? 18 elements is there. Total how many elements right now? 2019 ka the calculation of IUPAC Institute. IUPAC institution. This is called International Union of Pure Applied Chemistry. Chemistry ka institution hai. The names is given. The names of elements, names of compound is given. That institution is International Union of Pure Applied Chemistry. All universities, all schools, all degree colleges, junior colleges, inter colleges, everyone is affiliated to the names. How the name of chemistry? That's given this institute only. The books are printed of chemistry books means this name undertaking only. So International Union of Pure Applied Chemistry. These scientists to provide hydrogen number is 1 only. So hydrogen symbol is hydrogen only. Understand? So this institute give the completely universal name. What is the universal name means? For example, I told you what is the universal name. What is the universal name means? For example, generally the milk, MILK, milk is an English word. MILK, milk is English word. Whenever go to the Latin countries, have to go to England, please ask to milk. The people is given to milk only. For example, you come to that villages people, ask to milk means some people is known. Some people is know that milk. Telugu people, the milk is called palu. The Telugu language in the milk is in term of palu. Some people is thinking of here the veterans or some North Indians to form that. Here one of the terms, honey, water may, like that. Water may English word, Nilu means Telugu word, honey Hindi word. So different languages will be there. But in the IUPAC name is water ka hydro. IUPAC name is water ka hydro. Palu milk ka Hindi mein doodh. But he people is king the milk. So here I like that way. See, if you take the gold, if you take gold, whenever go for North Indians, don't know that what is meaning of Bangaram. So gold is some people know that. Bangaram is some people know that. But overall international throughout world, the people know that Aram. AURUM, Aram. The Aram is an international name. This name is provided this institute only. Everyone knows this. For example, you go for that Delhi people, please give me Bangar means some people don't know. So coming to that our village, please give to my Sona means no people know. Sona matlab in the term of Telugu language Bangaram. So that is to produce names, registered names of universal names. So the scientist to provide hydrogen ka name is hydrogen. So okay, right? Are you understand? No. So for example, here is the exception only. So atomic number is, if here atomic number, mass number only one element, atomic number and mass number only one element is one only. If you take next one, helium. Helium is this series. If you take hydrogen, first letter hydrogen only. But here, this is a first term symbol. Hydrogen is a first term symbol. What is IIT bit asking? IIT mean or NIT, NTSC exam, NEET exam ka IIT means you know that intermediate after intermediate IIT exam is there. So hydrogen ka symbol is first letter is hydrogen. That's why taking hydrogen. Okay, first letter. So this is first term symbol. You know English language. Here helium. Already hydrogen is already started the hydrogen. Hydrogen will be started the hydrogen before element is given the name. One more person is there means not give the same name na. So that's why I'm writing that hydrogen. This also helium also hydrogen means is a wrong. So that's why first letter is high capital letter, second letter is small. So helium ka symbol is Hc. Hydrogen ka symbol is hydrogen. This is a first term symbol. This also second term symbol. Why sir you write telling the second term symbol means second term also writing. So that's why second term symbol. So here what is the atomic number? Atomic number of helium 2 only. Atomic number is helium 2 only. So what is the mass number? Atomic number is what is that? Atomic number is even. If atomic number is, please understand this hydrogen is exception. Later I discuss hydrogen is exception. Why? Because atomic number and mass number is same. Later I discuss why, because in this term of hydrogen exists in the solid state, liquid state, gaseous state. Solid state, liquid state, gas. No one element is exist in 3 states. This only one element exists in that. One more, metallic nature is exist, non-metallic nature exists. After I discuss next session. Now helium is atomic number is 2. What is the mass number? If atomic number is even into 2. So what happened? Here 2 into 2 equal to 4. So what is the mass number of helium? 4 only. Please remember 4 only mass number of helium. Are you understand? So atomic number is 2 into 2 plus 2 means 2 into 2 is 4 only. So helium atomic number 2, mass number is 4. Next, lithium. Lithium atomic number is Li. I tell you, scientist lithium. So the atomic number is 3. What is the atomic number of lithium? 3m. What is the mass number? What is the mass number here? 3. So here 3 into, so atomic number is hard. 3 is a odd number. 3 into 2 plus 1. What I told you? If atomic number is hard, so what is the formula? If atomic number, what is atomic number? Z is hard. Z is hard into 2 plus 1. This is a formula. If atomic number is a hard number, into 2 plus 1. Into 2 plus 1. Are you understand? Into 2 plus 1. What happened here? 3 2 is 6 plus 1. So mass number of lithium is a 7. The pupil is by heart. Don't by heart. Just how I understand like this way. So are you understand? Lithium is 3. Mass number is a 7. So atomic number lithium 3. Mass number is 7. Next one. Next element is beryllium. So beryllium symbol is Be. Scientist name beryllium. Symbol is Be. So what is atomic number? Atomic number is 4. Here 4 is a even number. Here 4 into 2, 4 2 is 8. So 4 2 is 8. Here plus 1. What's that you are writing here like this? Generally, I will tell you later. This is a stability of configuration change. Later, upcoming class, I will tell you. So these are exceptions. Beryllium 4 even number into 2 plus 1. Why you using odd number formula means some elements will be, some exceptions will be there. I will tell you later. Next one, boron. Boron is a symbol is B. Boron, first or by. So what is atomic number? 5. So 5. So what is 5 is? 5 is hard number. So 5 into 2 plus 1 equal to how much? 11. Okay. Boron atomic number is 5. Mass number is 11. Please understand. Next up, carbon. So carbon is atomic number is symbol is carbon. So atomic number is what? 6. Atomic number is 6. So what is 6 is odd or even? Even. So 6 into 2 equal to 12. 12 is a mass number. So yesterday I told you carbon is atomic number is 6, mass number is 12. Yesterday I told na? Means sorry, session 1 I told you. So next, nitrogen. Please understand, nitrogen symbol is N. What is atomic number? 7. Here 7 is a hard number. Into 2 is not there, plus 1. Why? Because this is hard. Only below 20 elements, beryllium and nitrogen only exception. Please understand, below 20 elements ka beryllium and nitrogen is exception. Okay. See, here nitrogen is a hard, but hard formula is not follow. Even formula is follow. Beryllium is even, but even formula is not follow. Odd number formula is follow. So these are two small exceptions, the most important bit, confused bits in the board exams or confused competitive exam. Please remember. Next, are you visible, Amma? Right. Oxygen. Oxygen is symbol is 8. These are basics only. Whenever this class on later I discuss your session, sir. Oxygen is 8. So what is oxygen 8 means? Atomic number is 8. 8 is a even or odd? Even. So 8 into 2. 8 into 2 means 16. 16 mass number. So oxygen atomic number 8, mass number is 16. Okay, next one. Fluorine. So fluorine means, please understand, fluorine, yeah, this mass number, atomic number is 9. 9 is odd number or even number? Odd number. So 9 2s are 10 plus 1. 19 mass number. Fluorine atomic number 9, mass number 9. This is the trick. The people is by heart. Don't by heart. I have to write it like this way. Not study. Next, neon. Neon is symbol is Ne. Why? Because again, right? Already nitrogen is repeat again. So that's why nitrogen ka yellow. Neon, Ne. So what happened? Neon is 10. So 10 into 2. Why? Because 10 into 2. This is called as a even number. So equal to 20 only. So this is a atomic number below 20. So next again 11 to 20. So please all of you understand, Amma? Are you understand? Next I will complete next one 10 to 20. After it is the class arrangement of electrons. Okay. All of you understand this is the calculation of atomic numbers, mass number calculation. Atomic number means what I told you, number of electrons or number of protons is called as atomic number. So this is mass number means atomic number is hard into 2 plus 1. Atomic number is even into 2 only. So this is a class of mass number calculation. Just here one thing 11 to 20 complete, then I will teach the class. Okay, right? This is the most important tricks how to learn. Now please concentrate. 1 minute. So here remaining 11 to 20 elements. 11 to 20 elements. 11 to 20. Next. (11 to 20). How can you find? See, for example, symbolic notation. What is meaning of symbolic notation? Means simple handwriting. Simple handwriting means, for example, see. Next one element is sodium. Sodium is SODIUM. Sodium is, I am writing symbol is Na. Sir, what you write the sodium is Na letter is not there. This is called Latin names. Latin countries ka name is natrium. So that's why I am writing Na. So what is atomic number? Atomic number is sodium is 11. So what is mass number? 11 into 2 plus 1 equal to 23. Why? Because 11 is a odd number. Ma, are you understand? Are you understand? Are you understand? Okay. Are you understand? Right. Now, sodium is atomic number is 11. Atomic number is 11 into 2 plus 1 equal to 23. Next, magnesium. Magnesium, Mg. Magnesium is atomic number is 12. What is the mass number? 12 into 2. 12 into 2 means 12 into 2 equal to 24. Why 24? This is called as a even number. Next, aluminium. Aluminium. What is aluminium? Al. Aluminium is Al means 13. So aluminium 13 means 13 is odd or even? Odd. So what am 13 into 2 plus 1 equal to 27. Ma, please don't read all these things. Just in mind only. Some people is by heart 23, 24 like that. Don't by heart. Just odd number, even number into multiply. Calculation only. That is one of the formula. The formula remember anywhere. Don't forget this. Easy to understand. So in the competitive exam asking what is the atomic number of aluminum? What is the mass number of aluminum? 27. Some people is by heart. So mass number atomic number is 13. 13 is odd number. Odd number 13 in 2 plus 1. Simple how to identify. Next, please write silicon. Silicon is symbol is Si. Si. First letter is silicon. Silicon. So what is the atomic number? 14 atomic number. So 14 into 2, how much? 28. Why? Because into 2, even number. Next, phosphorus. Phosphorus. Phosphorus means P. This is 15. 15 is an odd number. Odd number means 15 into 2 plus 1. How much? 31. 31. Phosphorus ka mass number 31. Please understand. Sulfur. Sulfur. What is symbol of sulfur? Sulfur is S. So this is 16. 16 2s are 32. Ma, no need for remembering. No need for remembering. Only remember these values only. Competitive exam asking these values only. Next, sulfur chlorine. Chlorine. The chlorine is symbol Cl. Here Cl is 17. Mass number is how much, Amma? Atomic number is wait. Okay, very good. Cl. So 17. 17 2s are 34. But here some exception. 35.5. This only exception. 35.1. Remember this most value. Okay. Right. Next one. Argon. Next one. Argon. Argon is symbol is Ar. Atomic number is 18. 18 2s are. Here small exception. This also I told you later. This stability of configuration I will discuss you. This is having that 40. This is the most important. The most important is 40 mass number.
One more doubt.
I will tell you. Next one, potassium.
One more doubt.
One more doubt. Sir, one more doubt. One more doubt, sir.
I will tell you, ma. What is doubt?
17th element.
17 automatic.
Okay. Chlorine is 17.
13.5.
This is I will tell you one thing. Discussion. Chlorine is the atomic number is 17. But this is exist in the isotope. Isotope I will explain. Isotope means 2 elements is there. I will tell you. In the environmental way, hydrogens will be 3 elements. Hydrogen 1, hydrogen 2, hydrogen 3. 3 elements is there. But among those 2 elements, hydrogen is lifespan is very less. I will discuss you. Just wait 1 minute. I will discuss you. So this is called. This guy I will explain. Chlorine is 35.5. Why? Because this chlorine is exist in the isotope system. Isotope system means please wait 2 minutes. I will discuss you that one. So potassium is 19. So 19 means this is called odd number. 19 into 2 plus 1. So equal to 39. See, among those increases, but here second one decrease. This is called anomalous series. Coming to plus 10th standard, the most important board exam. So here 23, 24, 27, 28, 31, 32, 35.5, 40, 39. Why change? Why decrease the value? I explain you that reason is anomalous pair. Next session I tell. Now, this is called calcium. Now itself I told you means not understand. Just you have to go for section wise. So calcium is 20. So 20 is odd number or even number? Even number. So 20 into 2 equal to 40. See here, 40 between 39 is coming. What is the reason? So some 2-3 elements will be extraction is there. So what is the reason? I will tell you. Why the chlorine is taking this way, 35.5. So this reason is isotopes. Okay, ma'am? Please, allow to listen. Thank you. Once, thank you all. Prashad, record check, stop check, tarvata doubts clarify chestam. Okay, ma, right? Next session I will discuss you.
సార్
ప్రసాదాన్ని బయటికి వెళ్ళి
ప్రసాదాన్ని
ఒక్క నిమిషం రికార్డ్స్ వెయిట్ అమ్మా.
ప్రసాదాన్ని గో టు ఇన్సైడ్
Okay, I will tell you what is the reason here. What is the, once one boy is go and call me ra, hey, recording will stop means no use, call me once.
ఎడిటింగ్ కట్ చేస్తారు.
రే ప్రసాద్ నేను పిల్లలు వెళ్ళలేవు పిలిచి రికార్డ్ స్టాప్ చేయమని మళ్ళీ వేస్ట్ అయిపోతుంది.
ఎడిటింగ్ కట్ చేశారు.
Okay, see here, why? Because very good question amma, 35.5. why is this? Means average elements is taking, average mass is taking. What happen means, see, for example, why? Because isotopes amma. What is the reason? Means isotopes. So here reason is, for example, environmental में elements exist in the different forms. See, for example, hydrogen is liquid form is there, solid form is there, gaseous form is there. Is like that way. Hydrogen exists in the atomic number 1, mass is 1. So one more hydrogen. This name is called protium hydrogen. Some people don't know. Listen, this is IIT में. Protium. Next, hydrogen 1, 2 is called deuterium. Protium, deuterium. Next, hydrogen 1, 3, this is called tritium. So what happens? See, hydrogen 1, hydrogen 1, 2, hydrogen 1, 3. These 3 will be existing in the environmental. Please understand, amma. These 3 will be existing in the environmental, but these 2 will be lifespan will be very less. What is lifespan? Means whenever go observation, this will be disappear. Are you understand? Is not there in environment. For example, the scientists have to observe that which of hydrogen exists in the environmental. Hydrogen, 3 types hydrogens exist in the environmental, but these 2 will be H12, H13. See, here mass number 1 now. Here mass number 2. Here mass number 3. Here atomic number always same. Atomic number same. Mass number is different. See, this is called atomic number. Remember, X is the element, Z is atomic number, A is the mass number. See, this is representation. So here H11 like this. So atomic number is same, mass number is different. Atomic number is same, mass number is different. That is called as a isotopes. Tops means isotopes means tops. Top is means power. Top is power na. So like that, mass number is different, atomic number is same. That is called isotopes. So each and every element exists in the isotopes. But some isotopes, see, this one and this one, 2 will be environmental. Just living lifespan is very less, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. You know, in the summer or winter season, anytime rain is coming. Varsham hagena coming to rain. That time some small insects, some purugulu vastayi kadamma. The purugulu will be lifespan very less. Rekkala purugulu in Telugu language, rekkala purugulu. How much time is living? At least 5 minutes only. Are you understand? Rekkala purugulu in the Varsham season time. So that will be lifespan is very less. Like that way, these two will be whenever the find the scientist, observation is going on means to transfer the heat to find the electrons. That time these two will be melting. So that's why not identified. So the finally hydrogen is taking H11. Here this is odd, but 1 and 2 is not concluded. So that reason exists in the isotopes. Ma Prashad sir, ochira Prashad ayna? Hey, record cheyamanra?
చెప్పండి.
స్టాప్ చేసి వాళ్ళకి డౌట్ వచ్చిందంట. ఓకే మా రైట్ రికార్డ్ చేసి
నా రికార్డ్
Okay, but this
డౌట్
is
ఉంటే
the-
మంచిదలే.
Isotopes means same atomic number, different mass number. Okay, ma, thank you. So this is existing. Records up. Stop the record.
రికార్డ్ ఆపకపోయినా పర్లేదు అన్నయ్య, ఎందుకంటే క్లాస్
మరి మొత్తం వేరే క్లాస్ వచ్చేసి ఇంకేంట్రా అర్థమైందా మాస్ నెంబర్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్? ఆర్ యు అండర్స్టాండ్? అమ్మా మీకు ఏ డౌట్స్ చెప్పండి, అది చెప్తాను నెక్స్ట్ నుంచి. ఓకేనా? లెసన్ చెప్పండి, ఇది బేసిక్స్ ఆఫ్ కెమిస్ట్రీ. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ సెషన్ ఐ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ యూ electronic configuration, how to arrange the electrons in atom, electrons arrangement. You know, I think I will explain later orbitals method. Molecular diagram easy to, I will explain. Molecular diagram is there, how to write the molecular diagram I explain easy. You know, for example, hydrogen 1s1 1s2, that if you learn heard the voice, heard the letter, ఎప్పుడైనా విన్నారా? 1s2 2s2 ఉంటే అది చెప్తారు. ఓకే, అది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. The electron distribution of electrons in the atom, that is most important for your life. 9th standard, 10th standard, 11th standard, 12th standard. Okay, are you find that? Okay, I will give you. Pray, anyone tell me, atomic number is 11. Atomic number is 11. What is the mass number?
23.
How you know?
23.
How you know that?
Odd number is 2 into 1.
Yes, odd number.
11 into 2 plus 2.
Yes, Amma. So how to calculate it? Next session, how to arrange that electron configuration. Then, Ma, I have the class next plus 1 plus 2 class is having. This is a basic. Which concept
Okay, sir.
which concept you wanted, that you tell me, I will come and explain you. Until lesson wise, 9th standard ka 4 lessons will be there, 8th standard ka 4 lessons will be there, 10th standard ka 5 lessons. Which lesson you wanted me? That lesson only I will start the classes. Are you understand? Pressure stop this. Record idanతా.